Jordan Brand's Holiday 2025 collection is shaping up to be one of the most exciting in recent years. While the Air Jordan 11 typically dominates the spotlight, the Air Jordan 12 is stepping into focus with a kids-exclusive release, the Air Jordan 12 Pearl Pink. Though no official images or leaked photos have surfaced, early details suggest the sneaker will feature a two-tone color scheme combining pearl pink and medium soft pink. Material specifics remain unknown, but it's expected to uphold the model's premium reputation, possibly incorporating textures or patterns tailored for younger wearers. Initial mock-ups hint at a soft, pastel look that aligns with the grade school audience, though the final design could see changes. Scheduled for a holiday 2025 release, the Air Jordan 12 Pearl Pink will be available exclusively in kids sizing on Nike.com. It adds a playful and stylish option to the seasonal lineup for young sneaker fans.